Hey, I'm back. War for Peace. This is the War for Peace combination with a little bit before it. We just came out of the back roll and we were here. Yeah. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, and 7, 8. So that's fast. Bam, bam, up, down. And then we lunge it out forward like, yeah, praise the gospel. And then we put the hoop on the ground, roll it nicely behind you, and catch it on the other side. Start with just that. As you get awesome at this, take 2 steps. Yes. From here, we pop our knee, and this position here where the hoop is really important. Like my toe is at the center, and if this were the top center here, it would connect my knee to my toe. And so I'm gonna roll it into this hand here. Practice rolling it back, roll it forward, roll it back. The contact on the floor is important. It's going around my foot. It's rolling around my foot. So we do one of those and we end here. Now we have a war for peace. Take your peace gun, and that is 5, 6, 7, 8. Then we go 1, 2, 3, 4. Wipe it across your mouth. 5, 6. And then here we do kind of 2 moves at once. We throw this back into this hand and we kick that way. 7, 8. It's just a flicker kick. Stay away. So we do kick and then we walk it cool, drag our hoop, and do funky hand. So where did that combination start? I hate it when people do that to my hoops. Oh yeah. We did the back roll. I'm facing in the other direction now. That was horrible. Sorry. We turn it out here. 5, 1, 2, actually it's 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I'm going to go ahead and go on. We hit here on dreams, and then we kind of take a big exaggerated barrel roll in that direction, like really dramatic, like, oh. Yeah. And then we wave in our hoop. And then the last little combo that we know looks like this. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I'll do that to the back and I'll do it to the front. I'll think of tips if I have tips. So what did we just come out of? Back roll. Back roll. Bam. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 5, 6, 7. Wave. 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5. So that last part goes with the music. I'm not sure, not positive on the counts. Let me start it from the back roll here. Bam. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'm not going to redo that. Let's just pretend it worked. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We're leaning from side to side of the hoop there. Go up. 1, 2, 3, 4. Out, in, out, in. Yes! Yes! Okay, I'm kind of tired and thirsty now, and I want to go home. But I gotta promote Spinsanity because it's gonna be awesome. I'm actually going home to work on things like that today. So today's a good day for questions if you want to get a hold of me. I'm making videos for the world records. Yes. Which reminds me, I need to make a butt hooping video. Let's see if I can get that done real quick right now. 2 birds, 1 stone. 2 birds, 1 stone. Oh geez. Arch the back. And 3M grip tape. Oh yeah. 3M grip tape. Hoops have to be general hoops, which means that you have to be able to hula hoop it. If you can't hula hoop it because it's too small, you can't use it. But you can use that kind of thing to your advantage. All right, 2 birds, 1 stone. Stick the butt out, arch back, feel it. Oh, try again. So Spinsanity's coming up in May in Michigan. Hope to see y'all. The butt hooping challenge is measured in half revolutions. I gotta get a video. All right, I hope I got something in there that'll work. The promotion video, it's gonna be awesome. Yeah! Oh my goodness, I do it better looking at it. I've lost it. You ever thrown your hula hoop across your yard? I was outside right now. This would be one of those frustration moments. The worst part about throwing your hula hoop across your yard is walking to go get your hula hoop. Did I get 6 that time? That's pretty good. All right. I'm calling it goods. I'm calling it goods. Yay! Oh my gosh, I love that move.